How to turn on private chat notifications on REDnote app. Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today, I am here with a quick step-by-step guide to turn on private chat notifications on the REDnote app. So now, let's dive in. Step 1. Launch the REDnote app on your mobile device. Now here, tap your profile section at the bottom left corner. Again, tap on Settings. Here you can see the notification settings. Tap on it. Now select Chat from the Chat Notifications section. Here you can see the options of Private Chat, Group Chat, and Stranger. If the private chat is off, simply toggle it on, and there you have it. You have successfully turned on private chat notifications on REDnote app. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.